Mom? Where are you? Mom, I cannot see you anywhere in this huge crowd. Mom, where are you? Please answer me. I am scared right now. She was just right next to me, holding my hand a second ago. Mom, are you inside this store? Please do not leave me alone. Nobody can hear me over all this noise. Where did everyone go? Dad went to buy juice drinks, and now both of them are gone. Look at how huge this place is. There are so many people everywhere.
Hello there, young man. Are you lost? Do you need help finding someone?
I need to find my family. I must find my mom right away.
Mike, where is my little boy? Has anyone seen my 10-year-old son? Oh my goodness, where could he have gone in this crowded shopping mall?
Here are the cold fruit juices. Wait, where did Mike and Honey go?
Daddy, where is Big Brother Mike? He was right behind us earlier.
Mike! Mike! Stay right there! Oh no, where did my son disappear to?
Mom loved this toy shop. Maybe she walked inside to look for Lily.
She is not here either. Everything looks so unfamiliar and confusing right now. What if I never find them? What if I am stuck here forever?
Mike, please hear my voice. Mommy is looking for you everywhere. Excuse me. Did you see a young boy wearing a bright green polo shirt? No, I am sorry. I have not seen him. Check the security desk.
Ouch! I am not paying attention. I am just running without thinking. It is all my fault. I stopped to look at video games and walked away. Why did I let go of Mom's hand? I should have stayed right beside her.
Honey, I found you. Where is Mike? Did he wander off somewhere?
I lost him. He let go of my hand when the crowd pushed past us.
Mommy, do not cry. We have to find Mike. He must be very scared.
Let us stay calm. I will call the security office to broadcast an emergency announcement.
Please pick up fast. Our 10-year-old child is missing on the main floor.
Stop crying, Mike. Crying will not help me find Mommy and Daddy right now. Wait. What did Dad and Mom always tell me whenever we go out?
Remember, Mike, if you ever get lost, never wander around in circles.
Always go straight to the official information desk or find a uniformed security officer. Stay in one safe spot, do not follow strangers, and ask for help calmly.
That is right. The safety rule. I need to find the central information desk.
Let me read the signs carefully. Restrooms, food court, information desk is ahead.
I must not run wildly. I will walk calmly straight towards the main desk.
Attention all units. We have a report of a lost 10-year-old boy in green.
Let us check the ground floor main entrance. Maybe he went back outside.
Do not worry. We will find our son soon. Mike is a very smart boy.
Just 50 more meters ahead. I can see the big blue letter I sign. Excuse me, ma'am. I need help because I got separated from my parents.
Hello, sweetheart. Do not worry at all. You are safe here. What is your name?
My name is Mike. I am 10 years old, and I lost my mom in the mall.
You did a wonderful job coming here, Mike. Can you tell me your parents' names?
My mom's name is Sarah, and my dad's phone number is 555-0199.
Thank you, Mike. I am going to make a loudspeaker announcement across all 3 floors right now. Attention, shoppers. Will the parents of Mike please come to the Central Information Desk?
Listen, did you hear that? That announcement is calling for us.
They said the Central Information Desk on the ground floor. Let us run there immediately. Hold on tight, Lily. We are going to get your big brother right now.
Great job finding the desk, young man. You followed the exact right safety rules.
Thank you, officer. My parents taught me never to wander off or hide.
Here is some cold water to help you relax while your parents make their way here.
Thank you so much. I feel much calmer now that I am safe here.
There is the big blue information desk. Look, somebody is sitting right there. Mike? That is my baby boy sitting right at the service desk counter.
Mom, Dad, you found me. I am right over here at the desk. Mommy, I was so scared, but I remembered what you taught me to do.
Oh, Mike, my precious boy. Come here into Mommy's arms right now.
Mommy, I am so sorry I walked away. I will never let go again.
It is okay, darling. You are safe. I was so terrified of losing you today.
We are so proud of you, champ. You did not panic and found help.
Big brother Mike, I missed you so much. Do not get lost again, ever. I promise, Lily. I will always hold hands whenever we walk in crowded places.
What a wonderful family reunion. That young man handled the situation like a true hero.
Thank you, officer and customer service, for taking such good care of our son. Always remember, kiddo, safety rules keep smart kids like you safe wherever you go.
Now that we are all back together, let us enjoy our family weekend mall trip. Here is the fresh mango juice I promised to buy for you earlier, buddy.
This is delicious. Holding hands is definitely the best rule in the world. Look at that colorful toy window, Lily. Let us all go see the toys together. Wow! Look at the giant fluffy teddy bear! Can we go inside together now?
Yes, we can. But remember, our family stays together as an unbreakable team today.
Always remember what to do if you ever get lost in a crowded place.
Rule number 1, stay calm and do not panic or run around randomly.
Rule number 2. Stay in a safe, open area where people can easily see you.
Rule number 3. Always look for a uniformed security guard or information desk staff.
Rule number 4. Memorize your parents' full names and their active phone numbers by heart.
Practice your family safety plan together before visiting large malls or amusement theme parks.
Dashend. Knowing what to do will turn a scary moment into a safe and quick reunion.
Come on, everyone. Let us pick out a special surprise toy for being so brave.
Look, Lily, we can play this family adventure game together at home tonight. Yay! That looks like so much fun. You are the best brother ever, Mike.
Everyone say cheese for our brave family photo. 3, 2, 1, big smile.
Cheese!
Look at how wonderful we all look together, safe and sound today.
Who is ready for some delicious crispy pizza and yummy ice cream sundaes?
We are! Pizza and chocolate ice cream are our absolute favorite weekend treats ever. This warm pizza tastes even better because we are sitting together as a family.
You made Mommy the happiest mother today by being so responsible and brave, Mike.
I learned my lesson, Mom. I will never wander away to look at things alone.
Every shopping mall is exciting, but safety always comes first for every smart kid.
What a memorable adventure we had today. We are ready to head home safely.
Goodbye, officer. Thank you again for keeping everyone safe in the shopping mall.
Safe travels, Mike. Keep following the safety rules and take good care of your family.
The bright, sunny day outside welcomes the happy family as they walk to their car.
Let me help you buckle up your seatbelt safely, Lily, like a good brother.
Thank you, Mike. You are my favorite superhero in the whole wide world.
Look at how well they take care of each other. What a truly wonderful day.
I will never forget today's lesson. Staying calm and asking for help really works.
Remember, 1. Stop. 2. Stay calm. 3. Find information desk. 4. Recite phone number.
Share these important safety rules with your best friends and family members right now. Stay safe, stay smart, and always keep your loved ones close whenever you go out.
Family is the most precious treasure in our lives. Always cherish and protect each other.
Thank you for watching our story. Have a wonderful and safe day everywhere you travel.
Never forget, if you ever get lost, stay calm, stay safe, and find trusted help.